Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set your display resolution within Windows 11 PC. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So how do you do that? Right click anywhere on your desktop here and you want to click on display settings. From here, simply scroll down to where you have display resolution. And as you can see here towards the right hand side, I have the recommended settings, right? So if you want to change this to something else, just simply click the drop down and you will find various resolutions that you can choose. So you can choose something else. And once you'd like it, you can simply click on keep changes and that will apply that specific resolution to your PC. If you want to go back, you can simply go ahead and go back to that display resolution. I want to recommend that you use a recommended one for your computer and simply go ahead and click on keep changes and it will have the recommended display resolution. So that's how you easily go ahead and change your display resolution for your Windows 11 PC. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.